Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair, guys. Our mission here at the garage is to save you guys as much money as we can. That's why we make these absolutely free videos, guys. Let's go ahead and start on it now. Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair, guys. Today we'll show you guys how to remove and replace tail light assembly on Volkswagen. Okay, this one right here, Touareg. So we'll show you guys on the outside and inside tail light. Left and right side will be identical procedure. We'll just demonstrate on the left side, but this one will be the same as well. So stay with us, guys, and we'll show you how to do that now. Alright guys, so now you should have two plastic caps that we removed way too fast. Okay, this one right here, you should have two of them, and we'll need to use a Torx 25 T25, okay, bit like that, so we can remove the tail light. Okay, one of the bolts is out, that's what it looks like. Now working on the second one. Usually those are not very tight. Okay, now you need to grab it and you have to be careful how you pull the tail light. You need to pull straight to the back. Okay, and you have one guide right here that goes in this bushing and it tends to get stuck really bad. Next, you can just go ahead and release those tabs, okay, right here. Just be careful not to break them, okay, like that. And this is, guys, the outside tail light assembly, so stay with us to see how we're going to remove the inside as well. Alright guys, so we need to remove the cap here, okay, pretty simple. You just pull it out. Then we have three nuts that we need to remove with an 8mm. They're a little bit hard to get to be honest with you. Okay, this one is out. I'm trying to focus here. It's a little bit dark. Second one is right there. Okay, we got our socket stuck there. Came out. Okay, let me show you what the nut looks like. Okay, perfect, and we just have one more after that, which is pretty simple, the last one. Okay, like that. You need to disconnect the wires. Okay, what you need to do, those two things here, you need to squeeze them in. Okay, and just pull them out. Okay, you can see those two, squish in and pull out. Next, you need to just grab it, guys, and pull it out. This is the inner tail light assembly, this is the outer one. So you can see when you're ready to install them, you need to put everything together in reverse order we took them apart. Thank you guys for watching. So guys, hopefully the video was helpful. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to let us know. Now check out our YouTube channels, guys. We have more than 19,000 free repair videos that can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. That's why we make these absolutely free videos. Hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching. See you guys next time.